Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to find AliExpress tracking number. So it's very easy. You have to open AliExpress on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then enter my orders section right here, and then find the order that you want to find your tracking number for, and it should look approximately like this. So you need to find simply a line that says order ID, and this is basically your tracking number. Also, you can tap button tracking so that you could track where your package exactly is. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.